All right, working on a 2006 Honda Accord back window, heat shrinking it with this Steinel heat gun. Only the finest heat guns touch my hands. I really love this heat gun. It blows a ton of air and heat, and that's exactly what you need when you're heat shrinking a back window. As you can notice on the sides, I'm not tacking down the sides, so that is going to allow the film to float more to the flatter surface of the back window, which is the center of the back window. So most installers make their line on the sides when they're making their H pattern, and they struggle on the corners because they're locking themselves out into those corners. So try not locking yourself out on those corners, and you can see that the film will just shrink a lot easier. So how I'm attacking this side, I'm angling the heat gun downward and I'm getting the heat gun extremely close. So when I'm bringing the heat gun close, I gotta move the heat gun a lot quicker, and that's why you see me moving a lot faster than normal. So I'm shooting air underneath the film right before I started heat shrinking it so that the film will start flowing freely. So when I apply the heat, it's going to lay down perfectly. Another thing to remember is that the heat gun will do all the work. So always use the heat gun first, watch what the film is doing, and then you can go over it with your heat glove or your card.